Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You are already signed in. Now go directly to Account. Google, Com and Open Security. Once there, find the Signing into Google section. This is where you change how you sign in. Click Password and you'll be prompted to confirm your identity. You need to type your current password to proceed. That protects your account. Once done, you'll reach the form to enter a new password. Move deliberately here because this step gives you control over access. You'll now enter your new password, type it twice to confirm accuracy. Make it long and unique. Aim for 12 or more characters with upper and lower case, numbers, and symbols. That reduces brute force risk. Once you submit, Google updates sign-in credentials immediately. Make sure to update any device or app that uses this Gmail password, like mail clients or phone accounts. Also add it to a password manager, so you don't rely on memory and avoid weak repeats across sites. After changing the password, sign out of other devices you no longer trust from security your devices. This forces re-entry with the new password. Next, enable two-step verification to stop unauthorized access even if the password is known. Finally, update saved passwords on browsers and apps. If you can't change the password because you forgot the current one, use the account recovery flow or the forgot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.